Congratulations to the Rock family who've given untold service to the GA over the years, and I'm delighted to hand it over to the matriarch of the family.
The grandfather would have been the main man here as such. You know, he was the man with the bowler hat. That used to bring out the ball out to the referee before every All-Ireland final, hurling and football. And then his sons, of course, our fathers. My father would have done the styles. His brother would have done the scoreboard. They would have had the keys for the grounds. And Joseph's father, would have been the man that looked after the dressing rooms. I would have been coming to Croke Park, my father. You know, when he was working, he'd send me across into the dressing room for Joe. And my first memory would have been around in 1973 when Cork beat Galway in an All-Ireland final. And I was in the dressing room with them. Little did I know that at that stage I'd be in the same dressing room as Uncle Joe. And I remained there right through till '91 until we finished.
I remember all the uncles coming up to the house on a Sunday morning. A big pot of bacon and cabbage was on the stove, and they all had their dinner at 10 o'clock in the morning, breakfast, and then they'd all head off down here. And it was just something else, all the family together up there. And then it's funny, there's a fourth generation here, because my son is now coming on. He's into the football and hurling like Dean, he's into it in a big way, but he's actually in the styles now here as well, so there's a fourth generation now that they're coming on.
I had an incredible childhood growing up. My summers when school finished was coming into Croke Park to Joe in the dressing rooms pretty much. Like Dad would have done a lot of commentary for games up above, and the odd time I'd go with Dad along with the commentary, or I'd either stay down with Joe. And you know, I remember Galway and Kildare played an All-Ireland final here, it was '98, and you know, I would have sat on the side of the pitch. I just remember coming in on All-Ireland final days or semi-final days at 10 o'clock or 10:30 in the morning, and Joe would be getting the place set up and ready to go, and I'd just be there, and it was just normal for me. It was and something, and it wasn't normal to any other kid. That would have just been incredible, and it was incredible for me, but it just became the norm. And when I was first coming onto the Dublin panel, we would have got off the bus, and Joseph's dad, would have been there welcoming myself and the lads in, and you know, that was great sort of to know that he was always there at the door when we were coming in. Just kind of gives you that little bit of a, you know, pep in your step, and just that smile and handshake that I would have got off Joe. And thankfully he was there to see me win 2 All-Irelands, I think it was, in 13 and 15.
And he knew every team and every person that came in, and they all loved him. He was a great person to be with. And I don't think I have one bad memory of this place, because I haven't. They're all joyful, thank God. And now to the present day, my own family enjoying it. So my father gave me the joys of Croke Park, and now hopefully I'm giving my family the joys of Croke Park. When he died, he was here 86 years. He came down here when he was 4. His last thing here was his 90th birthday. He had it in the Players' Lounge, and shortly after that he passed away. So he was 86 years down here.
Not many people have their 90th birthdays in the Croke Park Lounge, in fairness.
Barney Rock has wandered inside. A chance of a goal for Barney Rock.
Right across the far side to Barney Rock. Barney takes his shot at the top of the bar.
The highlight for me when I've been playing is with matches and finals. We would have played all our games here, it would have been meeting Joe in the dressing room, going in, having a bit of a laugh and a joke beforehand, and whether we won or lost, he would have been the first one there at the end of it. And I suppose when I finished up, and it would have been when I'd be coming to the games, we'd come early, and we'd normally go down into the dressing room, have a cup of tea with Joe. You know, the minor cup would have been there, and it would have been a great spectacle. But it used to be fantastic, and then we'd just go up into our places. Lots of memories off the field, and some great memories on the field too.
We've obviously been inspired by past generations in Rocks, and hopefully we can inspire the next generation of Rocks. Really, that's kind of what it's all about, and just keep that tradition going, and that's the main thing.